How to fix Discord not opening. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If your Discord is giving you some trouble and you would like to fix it, I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to do it. It's just a couple steps, so let's get going. The first thing you want to note that is I am working on Windows 11, but the processes will pretty much be the same. If you're familiar with your device and your operating system, this will not be an issue. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up Task Manager. Now, the old school way of doing it is Alt Control Delete. However, you can go ahead into your search bar and you can actually type in Task Manager and you will get the Task Manager. Now, this is what it looks like, and basically what you want to do is make sure that Discord is not open. So there are two headings. There is apps, and right over here you can see that Discord is not currently running in the foreground, but in the background the processes, if you go down and you look for Discord, you can see that there are a bunch actually here. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it and you're going to tap on End Task, and this will basically allow you to stop all of its background processes. You're going to go ahead and just make sure that they're all closed so that there are no Discord background processes running at all. We're going to now go ahead and close this window. One of the other ways to actually check this is going down to your taskbar at the bottom of your Windows, and you are going to tap the little arrow that says Show Hidden Icons, and over here you will see that if there is a Discord icon, you can right click on it and tap Quit or log out. So once you have done this, you're going to go ahead and the next step is to uninstall Discord. Now, the reason we first make sure that all the background processes are closed is because you could create further errors. So you're going to go ahead into your search bar and you are going to type in add or remove, and it'll come up with the add or remove programs. You can also access this by going to your control panel directly, and once you're in your control panel you will see your add or remove apps button. Now, once you are here in your installed apps, you will have the opportunity to remove Discord. Now, you're going to go ahead and either look for it or type it in the search bar right at the top, and you can see over here there is a Discord. It also gives you the version and the developer. Over on the right hand side there are three dots. You can click on that and you can click on uninstall. Now, I'm not going to uninstall my Discord, however you should definitely click on uninstall and just give it a few minutes so that it can actually uninstall. The next thing you want to do is close this completely for now, and you want to go ahead and click on Windows R on your keyboard. Now, this will bring up a window that says run, and right over here you want to go ahead and you want to type in the percentage key. You want to now type in app data, and you want to type in the percentage key again. Now, what's this going to do is it's going to open up all of the app data on your device. We're going to click on OK, and right here we can see all of our app data. We're going to now go ahead and locate Discord, and we are going to right click, and once you right click you'll have some options. You can now go ahead and say show more options, and you can actually delete it. So you'll locate delete and tap on delete. Another way of doing this is just making sure that it's selected and hitting the delete button on your keyboard. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and close this window altogether. From here, you're going to go into the Windows key and the R again, and you can see now it still has the last command that we entered in here. The only update that we're going to do here is we are going to type in local just before the local app data. So if you type in local app data with the percentage signs on the left and the right, opening and closing, we're going to tap on OK. Now, right from here again you can see that this is your local app data and not your roaming, and you are going to look for Discord. Again, you're going to right click and locate the delete button, or you are going to just make sure that it's highlighted and you're going to tap on the delete button. Now you're going to go ahead and close this again, and your Discord app is now completely removed from your device. We're going to go ahead now into your browser of choice, and we are going to find Discord. And once we've found Discord, we're going to just go ahead and type it in there. You can type in Discord, and now you can download Discord again. So once you go to discord.com, it'll have the option to download. Of course, depending on whatever your device it is that you're using, you will download the appropriate version, and this will 99.9% fix the login issue or the startup issue that you are having. I hope this was helpful. If you want some more Discord tips and tricks, go ahead, tap on this window. If it was helpful, leave a comment below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.